My future plans. Good afternoon, teacher and class. My name is Lucia Cordol Faro, and today I am going to tell about my future plans. My biggest goal in the continued studying after I finish my current program, a daily education in the beds, what to achieve my dreams because college opens many doors. I am going to study business administration because want I to become a successful professional and have more job opportunities in the future. I would like to continue my study at the Volcano University in Peru. I think it's one of the best places to improve my economic level and develop new skills. The university environment is more interesting and more challenging than high school. So I am going to learning many useful things. While I am a student, I am going to participate in workshops, conferences, and group projects. English because it is one of the most important languages in the world. Speaking English fluent is going to help my communicate with people from different countries and get better job opportunities. In the future, I imagine myself working in a large international company. I have a stable job, travel to different countries, and continue learning every year. I also want to help my family and support other people through my work. How I am going to achieve my goal? To achieve my goal, I am going to study hard every day. I am going to organize my time carefully. Be making a week study schedule every morning and going to read my classes, and every evening I'm going to do my work and read additional information. I can know that success does not come easily, so I am going to work parentally and responsible when I have free time. I am going to take online courses and practice English. I am also want to join academic activities because they help students grow professional. There might be some difficulties, such as stress, difficult exams. I am not going to give up study. I am going to ask for help, save money, and keep working toward my goals. And daily very problem has a solution if we stay positive and never stop drink. I also think that studying at a university is better than stopping my education after high school because higher education offers more opportunities and better salaries. In my opinion, place in the most valuable for the future. Finally, after I achieve my goal, I am going to have a successful career, enjoy a better quality of life, and continue improve myself. I want to inspire of the young people to study hard and never stop believing in the dreams. Thank you thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Thank you.